has been awarded £14,000 for unfair dismissal because she was sacked for browsing the internet during her work hours. Anna initially tried to bring more claims, some of which were dismissed, but she won on her claim for unfair dismissal. Those claims were largely dismissed because they were out of time. Her employer was a small employer and she was the only full-time employee. The company claimed that she'd seen a number of policies. The company also tried to claim that she was given a number of warnings, and that she was given a notice of disciplinary hearing, and that she was then dismissed. And she does accept that she was given the letter of dismissal. However, the tribunal noted there was very little documentation, and there's a dispute over the amount of evidence that was provided. The tribunal found that the employer's notes were inconsistent, and that the notes give the clear impression of creating a record to support the respondent's case for the tribunal. The court then decided that the employer's notes were not contemporaneous, and therefore the employee was not given a warning. The employer then placed spyware on Anna's computer. As a result, found that on one occasion she spent 1 hour and 24 minutes on personal matters. Anna accepted that she was using Rightmove on her computer. However, some of the instances her employer had said were personal were to improve her skills for work. And again, the tribunal found that the employer was inconsistent with their notes. The tribunal chose to believe Anna over the employer. The tribunal concluded that there was no disciplinary hearing held, despite the employer trying to argue otherwise. The tribunal concluded that Anna was simply told that she was dismissed and there was no disciplinary. The tribunal found that the company actually had no policies in place that prevented Anna from doing any online browsing. And as they claimed that this was in the policy, the tribunal found that she probably wasn't given it, and she had no history of any misconduct, and they failed to follow the proper process. The tribunal found that Anna was unfairly dismissed. Anna got just over £2,000 as a basic award. Her loss of earnings were just over £9,000, plus her pension contributions, statutory rights, and an ACAS uplift for failing to follow the process, left Anna with just over £14,000 in compensation.